Having trouble with there's a problem connecting to your device error on your Amazon Alexa Echo Dot? It's often because of Wi-Fi problems, outdated software, or connection glitches. In this video, I'll guide you through easy steps to fix this issue on your Echo Dot. Let's get started right away. Before we start, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. After that, open the Alexa apps open. Tap the bulb icon, select your device, tap Settings. Tap Wi-Fi network. Check the connected health. If this says that you means you have no issues with Wi-Fi. However, if this says poor, that means you have issues with internet, so you can restart your Wi-Fi to solve that problem. After following this, if you're still facing the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Reset the Alexa device. Open the Amazon Alexa app. Sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create an Amazon account from here using an email or a phone number. After signing into Alexa, allow all the permission if it wants. Tap on the More icon below. Now tap the plus icon at the top. Then tap Device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once the device is set up, you can connect your smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. Solution 3. Update the Alexa app. If you are using an Android device, then update this app from the Google Play Store. But if you are using an iPhone, then follow these steps. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon below, type Alexa. Find the Alexa app and tap on it. If you see the update option available there, then update the app. Now tap open and see whether the problem is solved or not. That's how you can fix there's a problem connecting to your device issue on your Echo Dot. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.